Ever wish you could make your Buzzsprout podcast website truly yours? You're in the right place today. We'll be diving into how to add custom code to your Buzzsprout website for powerful customization. First, head over to your Buzzsprout dashboard. Go to Website and your website that you want to modify in the menu on the left. Find your website settings, usually named Customize. Once you're in the Customize settings, you'll find Code Injection. This is your gateway to adding custom code. Clicking on this will show you the options to add code to either the header or footer of your website, each serving a different purpose. The header section is where code that needs to load early is best suited. Examples of these are things like adding analytics tracking code. The footer section is usually best suited for things that aren't as critical to the initial loading of the page, such as social media widgets. To add code, simply paste your custom snippet into the desired section. After pasting your code, save your changes by clicking the Save or Update button. That's it. Your new code will now be live on your Buzzsprout website. Make sure to refresh your website to check the newly added features. Remember, always test your code to ensure everything functions correctly. With custom code, the possibilities are endless. Track your website traffic with analytics, embed social media widgets, or add unique branding elements. You can customize your podcast website to create a distinctive online presence. Get out there and make your podcast website stand out.